Hi, everyone. I'm Daria. I'm the product manager for discounts, inventory management, and orders at Shopify. Before I continue, we actually have time for a few questions at the end of this presentation. So if you want to ask some questions, go to your app and go to the Q&A section and use the code SFO. Ask whatever's on your mind. Guillaume, one of our lead developers from the discounts team, is actually going to join me on stage after this presentation to answer the Q&A. Back to discounts. Critical to our merchants. And I might be a bit biased here because of my job title, but who doesn't love a good discount? Discount codes have been around for 10 years. 10 years and 1 month, to be precise. And those last 10 years have been vital at helping merchants attract new customers, engage existing customers, and ultimately, at the end of the day, merchants who use discount codes make more sales. They become so popular, in the last year alone, 17%, that's almost a fifth, of all our sales were completed through a discount code. But not only are they popular, they're an effective way of helping merchants make more sales. And once we dug deeper into our data, product managers love data, we found that merchants who have an active discount code are 8 times more likely to make a sale. So clearly, they have a huge impact on our merchants. And they become so popular, in the last year alone, 221 million unique discount codes were created. These are some of the most popular discount codes on the system today. But let's go back a bit. Time for some real talk. Let's talk about those last 10 years. So exactly 10 years and a month ago, for the first time in Shopify, we added support for discount codes. And then a few years later, we added the ability to select one eligible item or one eligible collection to your discount code. And then the following year, we were redesigning Shopify, and we basically created a private discount API to communicate with the core of Shopify. And then, due to popular demand, we added the free shipping discount type. And then, we decided to experiment creating unique bulk discounts, so unique multiple codes for our merchants, with an app called the Bulk Discount app. And then we've been maintaining that experiment ever since. Jump to 2014, and we were launching Plus, and we decided to make the private API public and offer it to Plus merchants only. Finally, last year, we were here at Unite, and we talked with many of you, and we got a lot of feedback. And we realized that we've let you down with this discounts API. It was limited in what you could do, and it was restricted to Plus merchants only. But we've heard your pain. We worked on discounts all of last year, and we're not done yet, but we're redefining discounts, and we're super excited for you to be part of this change. So last year, right after Unite, we actually launched a feature. It was called One Time Per Customer. And basically what it allowed you to do is limit the use of a discount code to only once per customer. And it was really well received by our merchants. And we've asked them for feedback, and oh boy, they've delivered. We got a ton of feedback and requests pouring in. And as a product manager, this was fantastic. It was like my roadmap was being built for me. And it was crystal clear that merchants need more flexibility, they need more powerful discounts that will scale with their business needs, and they actually need to understand the performance of their discounts. However, the existing functionality of legacy discounts was limited in what we could do. It was really slow for us to add new things, and basically hard for us to innovate and add the new type of discounts that you and our merchants needed. We could have made this API more accessible, but this API didn't allow for the innovation that we needed. And because discounts are so integral to our merchants' businesses, we didn't want to half-ass this. So we took the harder route, the longer route, and instead, we wanted to build a flexible platform that could support as much stuff as we possibly could. We needed to find one common way to change the price of products and collections, and yet we needed this platform to be as flexible as possible so that you could help us build the best experiences for our merchants. And so we invested in building a new platform. the Price Rules platform, a platform where we can scale and innovate quickly. And with this platform comes a robust API, where you can do amazing things. We want you to supercharge discounts, not just build another discounts engine. This is a new role to help merchants sell products, find new customers, and ultimately help merchants become most successful. In the future, we foresee this platform powering all rules for price adjustments, sales, and discount codes. So as Chris mentioned earlier on today, we're announcing Price Rules API, which is in beta right now. But the Price Rules API, with a new UI for discount codes and reports, will finally be available to all partners and all merchants in May. But what is possible with discount codes? Merchants can now select multiple eligible items or multiple eligible collections. Regardless of how merchants organize them, it is easy for them to browse through their items and collections and add those to their discount code. So if you're a merchant preparing for a beach sale and would like to have a sale for beach essentials, 10% off your beach essentials, it is easy for you to browse through your items and give 10% off those flip-flops, 10% off that beach ball, or 10% off that sand shovel, which I bet is going to be the 2017 hit with pictures of sandcastles popping all over social channels, guaranteed. We've also revamped our free shipping condition, our free shipping code. In the past, you had to create individual free shipping discounts for each country you were running a promotion in. Now, we've simplified it. You can create one free shipping discount and apply it to customers from multiple countries. In addition, we've added minimum conditions so that a customer must spend over a given amount to become eligible for a promotion. And soon, we'll be offering a minimum condition on a set amount of items so that you can create specific discounts like buy 3 bags of coffee and get 10% off your coffee. These conditions will motivate your customers to buy more and will ultimately help merchants move their inventory faster. All these conditions I just talked about can now be combined so that you can create flexible discounts like save 20% off your new summer collections for first-time customers who spend over $100 in your store. And I want to emphasize the ability to apply those discount codes with multiple conditions and target them to specific customer groups so that you can target your discount codes exclusively to your new customers or your VIP customers, your most loyal customers, or whatever other customer group you'd like to create. With all of these new ways to create discount codes, wouldn't it be also great if you could understand their performance? And so for that, we're introducing reports for discounts, where merchants can see discount usage, but also drill down to the discount code and see the discount code applied at the item level. They can finally answer questions like, which discount code has been the most popular, which discount code has the greatest usage. And with this new power, merchants can decide which discounts they should recreate, which discounts they should extend, and ultimately where they should focus their future promotions. So 5 weeks ago, we decided to dogfood our API to one of our own, Kit. And in just a few weeks, they were able to simplify the way that merchants need to think about discount codes. So let's be brave and do a live demo and chat with Kit to create a discount code and promote it on Facebook. Okay, here we go. So let's chat with Kit. So Kit is asking me whether I want to market products. Yes, certainly. There's a couple of things I can do, but I'd like to create a discount code. She's asking me for what type of discount I'd like to create. I'd like to give a percentage off. What kind of percent off? I'm feeling super generous. 70%? That sounds good. Kit is asking me for additional details. For instance, do I want to add in additional conditions, like set a minimum amount to spend on that order to become eligible for the discount? No. What should we name this discount? Worst crowd participation. Let's name it Unite. Perfect. So Kit is just validating some details. This discount is going to be active as of right now, and it's going to be valid for the next 7 days. That sounds great. Let's do it. And now Kit is giving me the option to actually promote this discount via Facebook ad or via Facebook post or through an email marketing campaign. Facebook post sounds great. Kit is actually doing all the hard lifting and it's generating a preview in the background that I can preview before I actually confirm. Here it is. Let's test the Wi-Fi here. Could be better. Okay, here we go. Yes, 70% off. This looks great. Can we publish this? Yes, please. And just like that, in less than a minute, Kit was able to simplify not only the way merchants think about products, but to actually create a discount code and promote it on Facebook. This is an example of what's possible in May. But what's next? I want to be super transparent about where we're heading. Our goal is to keep your integration working while we add flexibility to existing discount codes, but also add completely new ways to create discounts. This is just a beginning. To follow up with our initial launch, we'll be releasing the ability to create bulk discounts, which will enable you guys to create unique bulk discounts, unique multiple codes per price rule. We will continue to add more flexible conditions to our existing discount codes. Then, we're extending our discount reports and creating a mobile native discount code creation flow. And finally, we'll be adding new ways to discount products, ways that don't require a code and that can automatically adjust your cart or your item's value. The first iteration of this platform, the new UI for discount codes, the new API, the reports, are going to be available to all 400,000 of our merchants, many of whom rely on you, our partners, to make them most successful. You can implement price tools into all kinds of functionality because this API applies to partners from all verticals. But the true power of this API is in the combination with the other endpoints. So you could build a new interface to create discount codes, or you can supercharge discounts and combine them with loyalty, gift cards, customers, games, or whatever wicked idea I know you will come up with. I can't wait to see your ideas come to life, and neither can the discounts team. So come find those lovely faces in the crowd today and tomorrow, come chat with us, or make an appointment during office hours if there is a time spot left. And if you also want to learn more about price tools, you can check out our documentation, the second link right there. We have time for some questions. Guillaume is joining me on stage. We're going to go back to it.
Hey. Hi.
Cool. Is there a limit to the, question number one, is there a limit to the number of discounts or price rules that we can create?
There is a limit, but I don't expect anyone to hit it. So if that's the concern, I don't think you should have it.
It's an invisible limit.
Yes, theoretical limit.
Question number two, any chance of having discounts shown at a line item level in the API? This is huge for those of us who communicate orders back to ERP systems.
So I understand your concern. This is something that's very close to my heart, and it's something that we will be considering. Currently, it's not possible, but I would expect it to become possible.
What is the most exciting API you would like to see combined with price rules?
I'll leave this to you, Daria.
I'll leave it up to you guys. Now, something around gamification or loyalty. I like to see that. Next question. When will price rules support more than one discount? Soon. No specified date. After May. When will POS discounts have more admin rights? I feel like someone has an admin rights question there and just wants to slip it in there. I don't know. Does applying a discount to a product lead to product update webhooks call being made so we can see that the product in fact is discounted?
So currently, it's like the discounts are applied on the cart. So the product is not going to show up as discounted unless someone puts the code. But in the when we do the price rules that apply on the storefront, I would expect so, yeah.
Cool. When will be support for POS? So POS is working on supporting discount codes. Unfortunately, I don't have a release date, but it will be available on all platforms for support for discount codes. What does it mean when a discount is said to be applied across products? Is it a percentage or fixed amount divided evenly across?
So it's not divided evenly across, it's divided weighted across the products that you're purchasing. So if you're purchasing like a $99 item and a $1 item, that's like the $99 is going to have more weight, 99% of the discount, and the $1, 1%.
Okay. Do you also have something like automatic segmentation on the roadmap to segment and target selected customer segments using discounts? I don't think we have automatic segmentation of automatic something, but we do right now have customer groups so that you can create customer groups and target them specifically. If you're in the crowd and you've asked this question, come and chat later and we can chat about what you meant there and discuss it in greater detail. Will you be able to create a discount like buy 3 items and get the cheapest for free? Not with the current first iteration of the platform, but it's something that we're looking to look into in part of our roadmap. Not confirmed. Is the new reporting retroactive to pre-existing codes? No, unfortunately, the new reports will be active with data as of April 15th.
No, but at a fixed date.
At a fixed date. Okay. How do you apply discounts via Kit for specific product category? I don't think Kit allows right now for specific product categories. In its first release, it will allow for all products or a different type of discounts, for instance, that is free shipping. You also have specifications on Kit so that you can specify the type of products, your top products that you like to promote, so we'll already know which products you would like to target in a Facebook ad or Facebook post. Can multiple discount codes be applied at checkout?
No. If this is really important to you, come and talk to me. I'm really interested in your use case. But no, multiple discount codes cannot be used at checkout.
I think there's a future where discounts have to be stackable, but not discount codes specifically. We think that a checkout experience where you enter multiple discount code will lower conversion. How does this interact with Plus cart scripts?
Sorry, what?
Plus scripts.
Right, so they're compatible, they go hand in hand. You can still use the rejection methods if it should stay exactly the same.
This price rules API work with POS. It is already supported on certain devices, but we will have parity of devices. The POS team is working on it. I do not have a release date at this time. How do you see this interacting with Shopify scripts for Plus merchants now and in the future? Works just fine.
Same answer.
How about scripts? Same answer.
Same answer.
Will you ever create a discount code that will allow a free product to be added to the cart, a gift with purchase with the code? It's definitely a popular request. It's something that we're considering. However, I don't have an answer as to whether it will become available and when, unfortunately. Are the discounts API compatible with the storefront API?
I'm
not sure what you...
Yeah, this question is not, at the end, I think we're going to be having the mic, so if you want to specify this.
Okay, I'm going to take 2 more questions here and see if there's more questions in the audience. Is it possible to charge taxes on the price of the product before discounts?
On the price of a product before discounts, no. No, this is not possible currently.
Oh, I like this one. Will Price Tools API be available to non-Plus merchants?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, some of the rest of the questions are a bit repetitive, so if you have, we'll take 2 questions from the audience, if there are any.
Yeah, please stand up. Do we have a mic?
Or just
Oh, there's one.
Thanks very much, guys. I sort of have a bit of a follow-up on the Plus scripts question. I understand that they will be functionally compatible, but I'm just wondering in terms of where you see this going forward, is this going to be replacing most of the discount functionality of Shopify scripts? Because it does seem like there's a fair amount of overlap now and in the future. So do you see this, in the future replacing scripts altogether, or at least major parts of its functionality?
Right, so I don't think it's possible to entirely replace scripts because there's so many things you can do with it. However, I do see that it's going to replace a good chunk of them. For example, anything that has to do with, I would say all the basic use cases that we currently have should be able to be replaceable down the line. We don't have a date for this, but yeah, and only the most complex cases are going to remain. But what's for sure is we can't replace all of them.
Good. I need a job.
Yeah. There's one in the front. Can you sign up, please?
Can I apply the discount without the discount code?
Sorry, what?
Can I apply the discount but without the discount code? Does that mean the buyer don't have to enter anything?
Yeah, it's part of our roadmap. So this is one of the additional ways they'll be discounting products is applying a discount automatically either on items or products without a code, or creating different price rules. However, I don't have a date for you. It's not launching in May. What's launching in May is a new UI for discount codes specifically.
Okay, thank you.
Our goal with this platform, however, is to keep your integration working while we add that flexibility without having breaking changes to the API.
So a few more.
So there's one more there.
Hi there.
Yes.
I would just like to know if we'll ever be able to apply discount codes to draft orders. Because as far as I can tell right now, we cannot do that.
It's something we're considering. I don't have it, can't confirm, sorry.
All right, thank you.
All right.
But I'd love to hear actually more about your use case, so if you want to chat later, that'd be great. I think that's all for now. Come please find us in the crowd if you have more questions. We'd love to chat with you all. Thank you.